Hello everybody! In continuation of my previous video about the 101 different ways to install Proxmox, here I'll show you the full install on a Dell R630 using an iDRAC, in a graphical way using XFS on an SSD drive. So now I'll install Proxmox the GUI way with XFS file system. First go to the boot manager, and choose the one-shot boot. Take the USB on which the ISO is installed. And we choose the graphical way. I accept the license agreement. For speed, I still take my SSD drive, and in options, instead of ext4, I choose XFS. I have the hard disk size option, which is the maximum, swap space, which is not filled in, max root size, min free, and max VZ. I click OK, I click next, I enter country, and I choose a Dutch keyboard to get AZERTY. I choose next, I enter a password, I confirm it, I update the email address, and I press next, and again it's taking the default first instead of the active last network connection, so I need to manually modify it. I update the gateway and DNS server. I'll get an overview screen and I'm ready to install XFS this time. And the install is finished, and you'll be rebooting. And it's rebooting. And Proxmox starting up. And we can already see it's finding XFS here, and it's live. And so as always, I first have a certificate prompt, I go to advanced, I accept, and I enter username and password. If you now go to server and the disks, my SSD, it still has an LVM. If we go to the shell, again do df-t, and here we can clearly see XFS instead of ext4. If I do mount, we can see it as well. And if I check my root, we can see XFS as well. So we've successfully installed XFS as a root partition. If If you guys enjoy this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.